What's up YouTube, Blackwater here. I'm going to show you guys VMware today. It's going to be our little video we're going to have, and let's go ahead and get started. First thing is you're going to have to download VMware Workstation. Now whether you want to pay for this or you want to download it from piratebay.org and go sailing the 7 seas that way, just be aware that certain internet providers, if you start using a lot of bandwidth downloading torrents, they may be onto you and they may send you a letter. I don't usually, when you like download software, Disney movies, certain artists' music, it will throw a red flag to an internet service provider, so just beware of that. I obviously purchased my version of it. You can find it pretty cheap, certain websites. I can send you the links below if you're interested in it. But a little bit about what VMware is VMware is, it's a software within that basically deploys operating systems. So that way you don't have to put an installation disk into your computer and do it to where you would dual boot from certain partitions of it. Like when you boot your computer, it asks you to select, Windows XP or Windows 7. You usually hit enter when you first boot. If you did a dual boot, it would give you the option right there after post that what operating system you're going to select. But you don't have to do that with VMware. What you do is you just install an application onto your computer, which here's where my icon is, and you'll open it up. And it's basically your operating systems, like on the main page. Let's see here. Like you can create a new virtual machine, or you can open one. So like if you wanted to create one, it'll take you through a setup wizard. It's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. I mean, it's super user friendly. So if you wanted to launch one, you'll just click on it and you'll power it on. And this particular one that I'm going to go ahead and power on is Backtrack 5. The great thing about VMware is that you can put every version of Linux on it that you want. If you've got a pretty big hard drive on your computer, you'll be able to put Mint, you'll be able to put Ubuntu, you can put Red Hat, you can put Fedora. There's limitless possibilities on what you can do with VMware. I mean, you can put Windows, you can put Windows Server, you can put anything, any operating system you choose, you desire. I don't think you're gonna have some problems if you try to put Apple on a Windows computer. So just be aware of that, because so on Backtrack 5, I mean, I could talk about Backtrack 5 for a long time because there's so much stuff you can do. Backtrack is I don't know if a lot of you guys that are watching this video are probably familiar with it, but you can do a lot of vulnerability assessments with it. It would be let's say that you worked for a company, you're a security analyst, and you wanted to run penetration testing, see if the network's vulnerable to outside security threats. Backtrack has a lot of network tools. It's also got SQL injection. It's got website exploitation tools as well. And I can just kind of give you a brief summary of what it's got. So it's got, network analysis. That's what it can analyze. It can even analyze phone systems, VoIP, VPN, virtual private networking, email, SMTP. So, it shows that there's a lot of things that just the network end of it can do. And then you have
the web applications, database analysis for SQL, and Oracle. Bluetooth for Bluetooth hijacking. You can hijack sometimes phones, Bluetooth headsets, printers, you name it, you can listen in.